Welcome to Freerider, the new series from Harley Davidson Australia. Now, in the coming weeks,
we will be introducing you to the newest models in the Harley Davidson family and taking some of your favourite celebrities for rides through Australia.
And most importantly, turning my Road Glide Special into a performance beast, ready for the track. Now, you can follow the series at www.biketalks.com.au to see what we did there, or subscribe here. And you're going to want to do that because Harley Australia is
giving away $200 vouchers for each episode at the end of the season.
Down to business. Now, what exactly does it look like when you get your brand new Harley delivered to the dealership? Well, let me show you, because here's mine. This little baby takes about a week to get to the dealership. It's been the longest week of my life, but it's finally here, and this is how it arrives. Regan, should we crack this sucker open?
Sure.
Yes, let's do it. Yeah. 3, 2. Look at this thing. Yes, buddy. What you're looking at is my Harley Davidson Road Glide Special, untouched by human hands, but soon to have my grubby little mitts all over it.
Not just a pretty face.
You want to pull? Before we just ride off into the sunset, there's a few things that we need to take care of first. So we're going to put this up on the hoist and Regan's going to walk us through it. So I just let Regs do all the work. You will. Well, now we've got it up on the hoist, what happens next?
We've got to do a pre-delivery. So we need to make sure the bike is ready to ride. It is done in the factory. All oils are in the bike, but we need to make sure everything is working efficiently. So walking around the bike, a visual inspection to make sure all cosmetic stuff is approved, and then go through all the electrical, mechanical and torque settings.
And anything else you need to know before you're on road? Like before I can actually ride this, do you guys test ride it? Is there
So before we do anything, we plug them into the computer system, make sure all electrical work is connecting and communicating with our systems. Then once we've done that, we put fuel in it, take it for its first test ride.
The bike is fully assembled by the factory, but there's a laundry list of stuff for the dealer to go through to make sure it's perfect for you to ride away on. All right, here we go. The first breath of smoke out of the beast. Oh yeah. Let's go. Look at this thing. Right away, you notice the size of this bike. I'm a pretty big dude, and I'm not gonna lie, when I first walked up, I was a little bit intimidated.
But the second you are moving, all that washes away and turns to pure exhilaration.
She's surprisingly nimble for a big girl, but my gosh, can she move. Right out of the box, you don't really need to do much. You could throw a sissy bar on here to make it a bit more comfortable for passengers, especially if you've got kids, but I haven't had any complaints yet. The endless power, the comfort, this is 5-star motorcycling at its best. Keeping things stock is all well and good, but this is my baby now, and the best part of having a baby is customising it. By baby, I mean bike. Don't customise your actual babies, that would be super weird. The plan is to take my stock Road Glide Special and turn it into a track-worthy performance machine. Something along the lines of this. I'm low-key obsessed, okay, high-key obsessed with bagger racing at the moment. If you're not familiar with it, check out the Bagger Racing League.
They are doing some super cool stuff, and the scene for performance baggers has really started to explode. The teams racing these bikes are taking out the electronics, stripping down the frame, putting in race engines, way more than we have time or money to show you. But I want to get my Road Glide Special as close to race ready as we can using HD genuine parts.
Now we've got some work to do, but first let's see what we're working with.
A stock 114 Road Glide Special is producing around 100 horsepower and 158 newton meters of torque. Not too shabby, but I know we can squeeze a bit more juice out of it.
First things first, we're getting started with a stage 1 upgrade, and that's going to be your mufflers and high flow air cleaner. I'm going to be using the Screaming Eagle 4.5 inch performance mufflers. They're in satin black, and to complement that, we're going to use the slash cut end caps. I'm going to head into the workshop to get this project started, and on the next episode, we'll show you exactly what it takes to install your muffler and your air cleaner. In the meantime, I'm starting to think about a stage 2 cam upgrade, so make sure you tune in. Ride free. See you on the next one. Right off onto the... Sorry, stop.
Service drill before.
He's a good actor too, there's no bolts in there.